This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices RW Towne Realty property video is presented by Daniel Parrish. This amazing opportunity to own a new home. Tradition Atlantic model with open floor plan, lots of space and natural light. Upgraded chef's kitchen with granite countertops, custom cabinetry with soft close doors/drawers, large pantry, stainless steel appliances, brushed nickel hardware, craftsman style doors and trim. Premium Mohawk LVP flooring in living spaces, except for living room, carpet in hall and bedrooms with spacious closets, upstairs laundry and linen closet. The primary suite features a huge walk-in closet, luxurious primary bath with dual vanities, granite countertops, attached two-car garage. Coastal style traditional living at its very best. 6 feet white vinyl privacy fence will be installed April 26, 2024. For more information, review the details below.